Hey queens and kings, welcome back, and thank you guys so much for clicking on this video, and welcome to all our new queens and kings. I see y'all. Hello, appreciate you. But anyways, in today's video I will be doing some recycling or revamping a old lampshade and making this gorgeous modern glam ceiling chandelier. If you all would like to see how I created, why don't you keep on watching. All right, queens and kings, so before we get into recreating or DIYing my glamorous chandelier, I want to show you guys basically some items that gave me the inspiration once I seen these candle holders as well as these pendant lights that I purchased from Lowe's. It gave me the inspiration of basically what I'm gonna come up with now. So this is basically how the fixture look, or the shade look, before I just put it on the lamp. Just got it sitting up there, plopped up there. I took off everything that was on there. My daughter had this for her bedroom years ago, and it came with like tulle and little pearls or something on it. But I always knew I was going to use it because I kept it for something else. And I'm a little low-key hoarder. Yeah, I said it. But anyways, I'm basically going to purchase some crystals that I got from probably Amazon. Yes, Amazon. I was about to say another store, so I was about to lie right quick, but no. And I'm going to cover this lamp shade up with them. Here are the crystal here. I have a large, a medium, as well as a small, and I'm only going to use the large and small one in this video here. I will be using the medium-sized crystals in a later video, so you guys go ahead and hit the subscribe button so therefore you don't miss out, because I'm coming with some more, what do they call them, bangers. I'm coming back with some more DIYs for you guys. You guys know they call me the queen of sconces as well as chandelier. So basically I'm going to recreate probably about 2 or 3 more different styles. So make sure you hit that subscribe button and turn on your post notification bell so therefore you don't miss out. Okay, queens and kings, so I went ahead and did partial of the first row, and this is basically how I have spaced them out, because I don't have enough to do them close. And I think if I do them close, I think they'll overlap each other. So therefore I actually did every other one, as you guys can see here. And I'm using like floor wire or something like that, some type of wire I got from the Dollar Tree, and a wire cutter to basically make my hooks to go on each one of the loops. I'll show you guys that in a moment, but I think I have like 25 of them, so therefore I have just enough to do just about every other space. Now, okay, so since I have showed you guys or told you all about the first row, let me tell you guys about the second one. The second row, I'm going to actually use the smaller crystals here, which you guys see. I have more of the smaller crystals that can fit around the second row than I do have of the medium crystals. Remember, I showed you guys 3 different sizes: the large, the medium, and the small. So therefore I'm just going to stick with the small ones and place those around on the second row. But here I'm also showing you guys, or basically trying to tell you all, the crystals that's going to go in between each one of the gaps is actually the Garland crystals, and that's basically what I'm going to do. More so at the top, not the bottom, because once again I have more of the small crystals than I do have the medium as well as the large one. So now I'm gonna show you guys how I actually hook them on. All right, so here I have, this is the wire that I got for the Dollar Tree. You can find it like on the aisle where the automotors, the batteries and lights and stuff, fixtures is located at. And I'm also gonna use some wire cutters to actually cut these down. So basically I cut it down to at least probably about 2 or 3 inches, I believe. Just old regular wire cutters, and this is basically how I'm gonna connect the crystals onto the the lamp shade or whatever. So basically I'm showing you guys right here how I did. I basically just went through the hole and basically bent it like a hook, pretty much. And then I'm just gonna bend it again to hook it onto the little grooves that you see on the lampshade. That's one thing about this lampshade. I did like the grooves. They did help me a whole lot, I'm not gonna lie. So yeah, that's basically what I'm going to do, and I'm going to do that for each one of these. Now, you could order some hooks and stuff from Amazon if you don't have the time and the patience to do this, but I was trying to keep this as pocket friendly as I can as possible, because these little crystals do cost money. And I'm doing a DIY frame for my closet because that's basically where this is going to be put it. I'm just going to buy one for the bedroom because I'm doing a little updates and remodels and everything like at Queen Val Living. So that's basically where I'll be having all my remodels or home makeovers and stuff like that. So if you guys want to see it, go ahead and subscribe to that channel and turn on your post notification bell. So that is my second channel. So basically I'm just going to show you guys here one more time, maybe two more times. All I did was just loop the wire through the hole because I do have the crystal that have one hole like a fishing hook, and then I hook it onto the lampshade. That was that. And this is how the crystals are holding up. Don't go, just leave. No, stay with me. I'm in complete. I got mixed emotions, can't make my mind up. Just leave. All right, so I went ahead and put the Garland crystals in between each one of the longer crystals here on the first row. I really do like the way how this turned out. It filled it up. And it did save me a little bit more money because if I had to go buy some more of the crystals, honey, it wasn't going to make it. I could have just went in and bought one. But, you know, you enjoy your satisfaction, your creativity that you come up with. It's definitely when you get inspired by different things. So basically, I'm showing you guys how I put them on there. Well, telling you guys how I put them on there. Basically, you have to open the junk ring to slide them on there. And I slid them onto the notches or whatever. I'm not going to lie, that part is very tedious. It is tedious. Now, here for the second row, I was trying to figure out how I was going to fill it in, because I still wasn't sure about putting all the crystals all the way around on the second row. I don't know. I was just trying something out here, but I sat with it for a day, but I really didn't like it. I didn't like it. Something about it was just still missing. I think because I was more so eager to do as in 3 other than 2. But this is how it looking. It's cute. It's really cute, but it still wasn't giving me what I wanted. I don't know. It just looked like it was just too much going on or something with it. So, but it didn't matter because the inside, you guys see how it's sitting on top of the lamp. I realized my closet where I was putting it at, I wasn't going to be able to do it the same way that I did for the living room. The living room, I feeded a card between it, but I wasn't going to be able to do that. So I basically had to take all this apart and basically get rid of the top row and just keep the second row in the third row. That's how I had to do it. So let me show you guys the one that I have in my closet before this one, and then we'll show you guys the finished look. All right, queens and kings, so this is the one that I had before in my closet. I liked it. I did one similar to this a couple years ago when I was living back down south. So I decided to make another one, but this wasn't giving me the vibes that I really wanted. And now that my little taste is starting to change, so I wanted a little modern going on here in the closet as well. So I decided to just take it down and just create the one that I have now created with you guys. So I hope you queens and kings enjoying this video. If you all did, please give your queen a big thumbs up and subscribe, because here is it. Now, basically how I have to hang this up in my closet. I did run into a problem where you guys see what I'm showing you here. Those little screws, those are the screws that actually hold the light bulb that went over the light fixture. Now, I had to remove those because I have like 3 or 4 of them come around this fixture in order for it to fit the DIY chandelier. It had just at least probably the chandelier probably about 1 or 2 inches bigger, and I was able to basically slide it on and use the screws to basically hold it up. So this is my beautiful modern glam modern chandelier that I did in our master bedroom closet. So I am doing a little makeover, a little update to our closet. So once again, if you guys want to see anything about my home, how I decorate, how I use all my DIYs to decorate in my home, how I style them and everything, go ahead and subscribe to my second channel, which is Queen Val Living. Over there, you will get all types of content about me as well as my family and loved ones. So, but with that being said, queens and kings, I hope you guys enjoy this. I hope it inspires you all to just take that lunch and do something, change something up, recycle something, and make it glamorous, make it modern, whatever floats your boat. But with that being said, queens and kings, you guys continue to be royal. I will talk to you all in the next video. Bye-bye.